Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover a wallet from a recovery phrase on your TREZOR Model 1. This video will show you just one step from the TREZOR setup, which is recovery. All other steps are covered in the setup video on the channel, but this one just will show you how to recover it from a recovery phrase. And recovery phrase works like these are like the 12, 18, 20, 24 or 33 words that can be entered on your device, and they are used to generate private keys, and that lets you access the assets. And if you're already using a wallet on a different or the same device and have your recovery phrase written down, then you can simply enter it on here in recovery. It'll generate the same private keys that were generated on the previous device, and you'll be able to access the same crypto basically. And that's why it's so important not to lose your recovery phrase and not to share it with anyone. Let's recover the wallet. I have 24 words, so that's what I'm gonna select. Now you can do a standard recovery or advanced recovery. Advanced recovery allows you to input your wallet backup using your TREZOR screen and takes longer. And standard recovery lets you use your computer. Technically, the advanced recovery is a bit more secure, but I'll be using the standard recovery because I just don't want to waste time on that. So I'll need to confirm on the TREZOR, then enter the 19th word. You can see it will be in a different order. It will be in a non-standard order, and that's what makes it more secure than just typing in on a computer like one by one, because that wouldn't be secure. But this like these random words, of course I won't show you the whole thing because it is my private seed phrase. I'll just show you my 19th word and no more. So I can just type it in. Then it asks me for the 9th word. You can see it always shows it on the TREZOR and never on the computer. So I'll just get back to you when I enter all the words. And now the recovery is complete. I just entered it. Remember that the order is shuffled, so you always need to check on your TREZOR which word it asks you for, and then you can continue the setup. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.